Hello guys, today I'm going to go over the classwork that I gave you, which were those problems from the OneNote. So I'm hoping that this will help you and eliminate any kind of problems that you might have. And you can always go back and watch this more than once if you're having issues. Okay, so what we talked about yesterday was corresponding angles, and we also used the Z method. I'm not sure if you remember that or not, but basically what we did was we said, hey, if this angle is going to be congruent to this angle, okay, so we know that, and so this 27 is 27 here, and it's also here and here. All those that are in the pink are 27. Now the question though is, what is this measurement? Well, this is a straight line. And so if this is 27, what does this have to be? So what you're going to do is you're going to say 180 minus 27. 153. So this first answer should have been 153 degrees. Okay, let's look at this one. A complete circle is 360 degrees. So you have 360 degrees for the circle, minus 120, minus 175. So whenever you take that and you subtract it, you get, which is 65 degrees. So this angle right here is 65 degrees. Now, T is here, is going to be the same thing here, which is congruent to this, which is congruent to that, which means basically you don't have to do any math here because you know that T is equal to 155 degrees. Okay, so let's go over and look at the next page. Right here, this is a straight line, and we can assume that these are equal to each other because they're both M. So that means that each one of these is 90 degrees. Okay, let's look at the next one. Right here, if this is 48, then this is 48, which also means that this is 48 and this one is 48. So the answer there is 48 degrees. Remember, we're going to use that Z method, which is what we did here to figure out if they were congruent or not. Okay, right here, this is a straight line. Okay, so if this is 115, you're trying to figure out what that is. So 180 minus 115 is going to give you 65 degrees. So this A is 65 degrees. That means that B is also what? 65 degrees, because they're congruent to each other. Okay, last page here. Okay, this right here we know, because of our little triangle, is 90 degrees. These two are also equal to each other. So you could do this a couple ways. You know that a complete circle is 360. Then you could subtract 90. Okay, you could definitely do it that way. I think maybe the easiest thing to do would be this. And so you're going to have 270. Now you have to divide that by what? 2, because there are 2 of them. So 270 divided by 2 is going to give you that each one of these angles is 135 degrees. Now, you could go about it a different way and say 360 minus 90 minus A, and do it that way. There's a couple different ways that you could do it. So on this one right here, they're asking you what this is. So you've got 90. You know that's going to be equal to 90 degrees. 3B plus 48. You're going to subtract 48 from both sides. When you do 90 minus 48, you will get 42. equals 3b. Divide both sides by 3. Excuse me. So then b is equal to 14. Now, it's not asking you what this would be, but 3 times 14 is going to be the 42. So this is 48, this is 42. You could have done it a multitude of ways, but anyway. All right, so this is 2c, this is 2c. This is c, 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 2c, 2c. Okay, you can go about it different ways. I'm just going to say that this right here is a straight line. So 2c plus a c equals 180, which is basically 3c, 180. Divide that by 3, and c is 60. Okay, so if that's 60, then the other one is 120. But basically, they're asking you for c there. Okay, I hope this helps, and I hope it was easy for you. If you have any questions, you can just let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.